Good morning, my dear students. Today I will start class 7 maths. Now I will tell you from exercise 5.2. Simplify the followings, write the result in exponential form. That means exercise 5.2. If suppose I will solve number B. Here is minus 4 square and to the power also 3. That means we should write here minus 4 to the power 2 multiplied with 3. If the power is in the up to the power, on that time it will be multiplied. So minus 4 to the power 6. It is the answer. Okay, I will tell you again. If the power up to the power again, on that time we should multiply the power. 2, 3 is 6, so it will be 6 and base number will be the same. Next I will tell you number 3. From number 3, multiplying and find the product in exponential form. If it will be the exponential form, on that time we do not calculate the value. Okay, if power is the same on that time, we should just write here 3 multiplied with 2 and power will be the 4, because power is the same, 3 to the power 4, and here also 2 to the power 4. That means power is the same. If power is the same, on that time we should multiply the base numbers. That means 3 and 2. 3 2 is 6. So it will be 6 to the power 4. It is the answer. You understand? I will tell you again. If the power is the same, on that time we should multiply the base numbers. That means 3 and 2. And we should write here only 4 one time, because I will take common from power 5. So it will be 3 2 is 6 here. 6 to the power 4. Then I will tell you the next number 4. Simplify the following. That means I will do the next number B. 3 to the power 5 divided by 3 to the power 5, same, or 6 it will be, anything else. 3 to the power 0. Simplify. That means at first we will divide the numbers. On that time, if it will be the division time, if the base is the same number, on that time we should subtract the powers. When it will be the subtraction the power, when it will be the division time. If it is division time, on that time we should subtract the power. If the base number is same, here base number is same, that means 3 here and here also 3. We should subtract the power from this 5 to this 5. After that, multiply the 3 to the power 5 minus 5, it will be 0, and 3 to the power 0. If power of any number is 0, on that time it will be 1. Suppose it will be 4 to the power 0, also it will be 1. 100 to the power 0, it will be also the same 1. So 1 and 1, if 1 multiplied with 1, it will be the same 1. So this one is the answer. So for exercise 5.2, number 2, 3, 4, your homework. Then I will tell you the next number 5. Simplify the same. Six to the power 1 divided by 3 to the power 1. Okay. At first I will convert it into the same number. if power of 6, it will be 1. On that time it will be also 6, and here also 3. 3 2s are 6, so it will be 2 is the answer. Then I will tell you, so number 5 also your homework. I will tell you number 6. Find the value of A if these are. That means I will go with number B. 25 here. 2. Is equals to 5 to the power 4. Listen very carefully. At first, it will be the division time. We should from the BODMAS rules. Division is at the first. Division and multiplication sign here. On that time, we should do at first division. If the base number is same, on that time, when it will be the division time, we should subtract the powers. That means we should write here 5 as a base number, and 2a minus a, it will be 1. So we should write here 2a minus a is equals to 5 to the power 4. There is 25. That means 5 multiplied with 5, it will be 25. That means 5 square. Repeatedly 5 in 2 times. That's why we should write here 2 as a square. 2 will be the same square. So we should write here 5 square. And also here is 5. Don't write here equal. Write here or. 2a minus a, it will be a. It is 5 to the power 4. So if it will be 5 to the power a, this 5 to the power 4 we should write here, and multiply 5 square. That means it will be goes as the, when it will be goes to the different side or opposite side, it will be changed into opposite signs. That means it will be division. On that time we should take it as a division. Multiply, on that time it will be goes as division. If here is some addition part on equal, if it will be goes to the opposite sides of the equal, on that time it will be subtract. If it will be multiplication, it will be goes as division. It will be minus, it will be goes as plus. If it will be division, on that time it will be goes as multiplication. That means oppositely change. So 5 square is at here is a multiplying. If it will be goes as the different side, on that time it will be goes as division. So we should write as a denominator. So again I will write here 5 to the power a is equals to 5 to the power 4 divided by 5 to the power square, or 5 square. That means we should subtract the numbers. That means 5 to the power 4 minus 2, because it is a division time. When it will be the division time, on that time we should subtract the powers. On that time also here is power 4 and 2. We should subtract the power 2 from 4. 4 minus 2, it will be 2. Okay. So directly we should write here 2. That means 5 to the power a. Here is 5 square. That means a is equals to 2 here, because base number, if base number is the same, on that time a is equals to 2, because base number is the same. So you should do it as yourself. Number 6 also your homework. That means from exercise 5.2 you should do as your homework number 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and also 7. Already you know the things. How to solve the number 7. I will tell you the number 8. So number 7 also your homework, and 8 last. Number 8 A will be 81 multiply with 10000. And first I will tell you, write the following in exponential form. That means you should write the number in the basis of power. At first write here 81. 3 27s are 81, and again 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9. That means 4 3 here. So we should write here 3 to the power 4. And also 1 2 3 4 zeros. That means it will be the power of 10 to the power. It will be the power of 10. How many zeros? 1 2 3 4. If it will be 4 zeros on that time, the 10 to the power 4. If suppose it will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 zeros, that means 10 to the power 6. Okay, so like this. At first we should multiply the base number. If the power is the same here, 4 and 4 also, so we should multiply at first the base number. 3 and 10, 3 tens are 30. We should write here 30. Then 4 power will be goes as 4, because both of these base number will be the power as 4 written over here. So we should write here 30 to the power 4. So number 8 is also your homework. This one also your homework. I will take a pic, capture it and send you as your homework. Thank you, my dear students. Thank you so much.